Ay, caramba! Everything very nice and clean. Okay, thank you. Mwah. Oh no, the house is really dirty. We need to clean it before the party tomorrow, Barbie. Oof, it's gonna be a lot of work. Oh no. Wow, the cabana is so dirty. Oh, ay caramba. What's happening here? OMG. How are we gonna do it for the party tomorrow? We have to clean it up. Everything. Everything is full of dust. Look. Ajajay. It's gonna be a lot of work. Hey girls. Ay caramba. What happened to the Cabana house? Oh boy, I know. We need to clean it up because we need it for the party tomorrow. Okay, say no more, Barbie. I will clean it up for you girls. You don't worry about it. I'm gonna call Robert and he will help me. Oh, Ken, really? Thank you. That's amazing. Yep, I will have it cleaned up in no time. Okay, I guess we can go and Ken and Robert, they will clean it up. Come on, girls. Oh, that's amazing because I really didn't want to clean. Oh, Ken, wow, this is really dirty, man. Holy cow, I think it's gonna take us the whole day. Come on, it's not that bad. Between you and I, we can get it done in no time. I'm gonna bring the water, okay? Okay. Here are the sponges. Okay. So here's the sponge. We need the soap and the water. Okay. Okay. Here I come. Hey, Robert, turn it on now. Okay, Ken. It's open. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh wow. I think it's too hot. Oh my goodness. Ken, you wet me all over, buddy. Oops. Sorry, Robert. Okay, I turn it off. So now we can soap everything. Okay. Let's grab. Okay, so. Okay, let's start. Oh man. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go on the roof. Okay, I need a sponge. And yep, okay, there we go. We need to clean everything. Everything very nice and clean. Okay, I'm gonna clean the table now. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go up here, the ladder. Oh, wow, it's so dirty. Oh. Oh, okay, so now I'm gonna do the door. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's check it out inside. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I think I can open this door too. Okay, let's open the Cabana door. Ah, perfect. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, wow. This is a lot of work. Okay. Okay. Everything will be ready for the party. Oof. Wow. Okay, Ken. I think the whole cabana is with soap and is ready to be washed with water. Not only the cabana has soap all over, Robert. Do you see your face? Anyways, Ken, do you see your face? I know. Okay, I will bring the water. Okay, here comes the water. Okay, all the way up. Yes, 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 yes. Let's clean it up. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, Ken, you washed me again, man. Oh, Robert, I'm so sorry, buddy. Oof, it's okay, man. Okay, now let's dry up the whole cabana. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, the girls are gonna be here very soon, so let's start drying it up. Here is the towel. Okay, let's dry up. We finished. Look at that. Yep, we finished. Oh, I'm exhausted. I know, but the girls are gonna be so happy, man. Oh, here they come. Surprise! Oh, wow! Girls, come and see the cabana. It looks amazing. Oh. Ay, caramba! It looks totally different. Oh, wow! You guys did a good job. Oh, everything is clean. Look. The oven is clean. The sink is clean. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, you guys are amazing. Okay, thank you. Mwah. You are amazing. Hey, how about me? Mwah. You too. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, Barbie. Oh yeah, but we have a surprise for you girls. You guys have to check out the balcony. We put a new furniture over there for you. Oh wow, that's amazing. I'm gonna check it out. Ah, wow. Everything is amazing. Yep, just in time for the party. Yeah, an awesome party we are gonna have. Oh yeah, and we are gonna dance all day and all night. Yeah. Oh, Ken, you are so funny. Yes, we are gonna dance.